In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Don't Starve Together split screen on your Nintendo Switch. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I want to make a quick disclaimer and say that I am recording this video on my computer. However, the process that I'm going to teach you in this video will work for a Nintendo Switch. I simply don't have a way to record a Nintendo Switch video of Don't Starve Together. So all you have to do on your Nintendo Switch is first, on the main menu, connect your controller and start playing as usual. The second player who wants to do split screen with you needs to connect their controller and press the plus button I've highlighted. So in this screen, the main menu, join the game and then the second player presses the button on their controller. After they play, this is what you should see. You should be able to see them at top right corner of the screen. Their player should be listening there. Now, after they join your world, through the main screen, select Host Game and then host your world as usual. You can set up any options you want, any settings, configure the world as you wish, and as long as they pressed the plus button on the home screen before you join the world, as soon as you load into the world, you will be able to have a split screen view of Don't Starve Together on a Nintendo Switch. Like I said sadly don't have the means to show you the Nintendo Switch gameplay, but this is how it's going to look like. As long as they connect the controller and press the plus button before you join the game, as soon as you load in, you will be playing on split screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Don't Starve Together split screen on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.